So something very exciting that I've been getting into lately is psilocybin mushrooms. I had a great experience about 2 months ago and I've just been totally encaptured by it. And going through my journey of finding out how to grow them myself, I stumbled across Boomer Shroomer. And this is going to be a little review or a little overview of one of the kits I ordered. I ordered the dry bulk substrate from Ashley over at Boomer Shroomer through the Etsy website. And I have to say, I am just super impressed. I absolutely love how she's taken the time with her and her team to assemble such a neat company / pack. So I got the substrate pack. Once again, this gives you the 500 grams of vermiculite, the 500 of cocoa coir, and the 100 grams of gypsum. I just didn't want to go through on my first time growing because I haven't done it yet. I will soon. And I just really loved the packaging / knowing that I would have everything I needed in one spot. So Ashley, thank you for that. Fantastic. Also, the quality of the packaging, like the team, Ashley and her team, who had to go through and actually find a company that would print these bags with their logos, find the quality they liked, have everything measured out, and then also like the work instructions, which I really love. The time spent on this is awesome. I love how it's her and everything. Like, that is pretty darn cool. The thank you order with mush love. That's fantastic. Just how everything's all nice and packaged up here. This is Golden Halo X strain. Thank you for that. And also the stickers. We'll give you some photos of the stickers at the end of the video, but my little sisters run a little sticker manufacturing business, and I gotta say, this is like right on par with theirs. So I absolutely love it. Excellent job on the art / like the way they're all presented. So thank you so much, Ashley. This is fantastic. I can't wait to share more reviews on Boomer Shroomer's products. Definitely go check her out on YouTube right now. Links in the description. And also, I will be creating a new channel on my journey, going through and cultivating and growing my own. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for that. We'll have a link in this video once that's up. It probably won't be here when you first see this video, but that's fine. But thank you so much, Ashley. You guys have a great day.